guys, Anton Bayon here with the Guided Team and Interior Real Estate. We have another opportunity for you. This cute condo is perfect for first-time home buyer. This property is 2-bedroom and 2 full bathrooms at almost 1,100 square feet living area. It's centrally located in Newark, California. This property is within an HOA that has high security. Additionally, this property has been recently renovated just for you, just for your family. Let's take a look around.
As you walk into the property, immediately to your left, you're greeted with your galley-style kitchen. The real solid wood cabinets are of natural cherry color, and they're complemented by matching solid granite countertops. The kitchen countertops and cabinetry is extended into the dining area to give you extra storage. From the dining area, the home opens up to the living room. With an integrated modern-style entertainment center and recessed lighting, this living room exclaims modern. The living room is also directly attached to the outside enclosed patio area, with Spanish-style tiles that is surrounded by perimeter of soil for gardening. This area feels very relaxing and quaint. Back into the property and towards the bedrooms, you'll pass an additional storage closet that is near the entrance door. Further down is the first of 2 full bathrooms, featuring a new vanity and upgraded tile flooring. Just outside this first bathroom is your laundry area, accompanied by a shelving system for storage and laundry organization. Stepping into the first bedroom, notice the generous size. Also, the closet has been upgraded with an integrated closet organizer. Headed into the master bedroom, the size on this one is also ample. Now take a look at the bathroom. Wow, very roomy with an abundance of closet space. A brand new dual sink vanity, and that same upgraded tile flooring you've seen in the first bathroom. Aside from these features, other features include dual pane windows, new recessed lighting, new lighting fixtures, new interior paint, new carpet within the bedrooms. The property also comes with 2 dedicated parking spots. Within this very secure community, you also get 2 exclusive swimming pools, 2 clubhouses, which you can use for large gatherings.
Alright guys, you've seen it and you heard all about it. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.